Laredo College, we're training the next generation of healthcare professionals who see more than what meets the eye. The Radiologic Technology program equips students with the skills and knowledge to capture vital medical images, helping doctors diagnose and treat patients.
The instructors are amazing. They make sure we understand every detail.
Our experienced faculty provide personalized instruction, ensuring every student is confident and ready for the field.
Every image tells a story, and it's our job to make sure the story is clear for the medical team.
Thanks to Laredo College, I was ready to step into my career immediately after graduation.
Our graduates are in high demand, working in hospitals, clinics, and imaging centers across the region. Join the Radiologic Technology program at Laredo College and be part of a future where every image makes an impact. Laredo College, where healthcare heroes are made.